Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, especially about the 2023 presidential election held in Nigeria on February 25, 2023, and the result announced on March 1st, 2023. And the outcome of that result is being challenged. That result is being challenged at the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, from where it's going to get to the Supreme Court. And based on that announcement of March 1st, so Bola Tinubu is the president of the country until the court says otherwise. Now, while he is running the country now, for good or for ill, a lot of developments are coming up. Now, one of the latest developments was the appointment of a serving corps member, a serving National Youth Service, the appointment of a member of the National Youth Service Corps to the position of a minister. Okay, this matter had been in the public domain for some time, but now the person at the center of it, the Minister of Arts, Culture and Creative Economy, Hannatu Musawa from Katsina State, she has confirmed that she is currently undergoing the one-year mandatory National Youth Service Corps scheme. In a statement she issued recently, Musawa, however, countered the NYSC, that's the National Youth Service Corps, saying that she did not break any law in Nigeria by taking up an appointment as a minister while still serving her fatherland. Because according to her, there are no legal and constitutional limitations whatsoever in that regard. Now, this her issue was, first of all, was brought to the public domain. I think the first time I saw it was in an online platform that is based in the United States. That is like that platform is published by Nigerians, and then I now saw it again when Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria said it had confirmed that Musawa was still a serving corps member. Okay, now as all these things were playing out, the NYSC themselves, they have to come out clean. The NYSC Director of Press and Public Relations, AD Mogwe, also confirmed that Musawa is a copper serving, is a member of the NYSC, even though he's also a minister. Okay, so the NYSC confirmed that she's one of their own, sort of. However, the NYSC said that occupying the ministerial position while serving as a copper was a breach of the NYSC Act, adding that the scheme would take necessary action on the matter. Okay, but in her statements, Hannatu Musawa confirmed that she is still serving and that she started the mandatory National Youth Service Corps in 2001 as a copper deployed to Akwa Ibom State, but due to family issues, she was not able to complete it. But right now, she has gotten to the level of, I think she has served for about 8 months. So she has just barely 4 months to go in her service. Okay. Now, but to me, this issue of NYSC appointing someone who is serving as a minister is a non-issue. Even the NYSC itself is a non-issue. Why did I say it's a non-issue? Because even the person that appointed Musawa President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. His own NYS is an issue of contention in the court right now. Perhaps many Nigerians are not aware of it. People are just talking about the Chicago State University results, for which Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, is in court in Chicago, trying to compel the Chicago State University to make available the academic records of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Why is he doing that? Why is Atiku doing that? Atiku want to use the results from the university to confirm what he is alleging in the court in Abuja, that Tinubu's results was allegedly forged. That is the essence. But Tinubu himself has gone to block him from seeing it, because Tinubu has filed a counter case, sort of, against releasing his data, his academic records, to Atiku Abubakar. Now, people think that that is the only issue of certificate that is of in contention. It is much more than that, because there is also the issue of the NYSC of Aswad Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Did he serve as a copper? Who are his mates? Who are those who are in camp with him, who served with him? Which state did he serve? Because there are allegations from the filing in the courts by Atiku Abubakar. And even before Atiku Abubakar, there were some NGOs that filed charges against him about some of these certificate issues. But the NYSC itself, Tinubu presented to the Independent National Electoral Commission exemption letter. He presented exemption letter. That exemption letter, Atiku Abubakar is challenging it in court. Because one, if you go and read the petition of Atiku Abubakar against Tinubu, Atiku Abubakar is alleging that in the NYSC exemption certificate that Tinubu presented to the Independent National Electoral Commission, that the name Bola Ahmed Tinubu was not there. What was there was Bola Adekunle. Bola Adekunle, no Ahmed. Okay. Now, there were also allegations that Atiku Abubakar brought in respect of this. They said that the certificate is fake, and that at the time, Aswad Bola Ahmed Tinubu said that he graduated in 1979. Okay? He claimed that he graduated in 1979 from Chicago State University. But by that 1979, the NYSC has never started giving people exemption certificates, because the NYSC at that period did not accommodate exemption certificate or exemption of corpus or potential corpus. Okay, the NYSC started the issue of exemption, issuing exemption letters, when the act establishing it was amended, and that was in 1985. 1985, that was roughly 6 years after Tinubu graduated. So who offered Tinubu exemption certificate? Who was responsible? Who gave him the exemption certificate in 1979? Who gave him? Who granted him the exemption? And for you to have exemption certificate when they started it in 1985, you must have passed the age of 30 at the point of graduation. What was the age of Tinubu in 1979 based on the record of his date of birth? Now, with all these kind of contradictions going on, it is therefore unfair to say that Musawa should be dropped because of this brouhaha over NYS. If Aswad Bola Ahmed Tinubu could be president without with the issue, with his certificate of NYS being subject of discussion or being questioned in the court, I think people should just allow Hannatu Musawa to continue her duty as minister. Because if Tinubu could be president with a disputed NYSC exemption letter, then Nigeria should even clap for this woman that she's made up her mind to serve her country, even if it was belated in terms of it has taken long. But she has said it. Her reason was because of family issues that she had. She had to cut short her service in Akwa Ibom State in 2001 or thereabouts. So if Tinubu could become president with a NYSC certificate that is being challenged, then I think the woman should be allowed to be minister without any stress. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Please try and like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. God bless you and yours.